Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you how to group multiple shapes in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, go to the home menu, then select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and select the shape option. We can see here many shape. Now I am select a shape. Now I am select the oval shape. Then draw the oval to this page. Then go back again the shapes option and select another shape. Now I am select the cylinder shape, then draw the cylinder. Now we can see here multiple shape. You want to group the multiple shape. At first select any shape, then press shift and hold the shift, then select the second shape. We can see we select multiple shape. Now we want to group the shape. Go to the format menu, select the group option and choose group. Now we can see we group multiple shape very easily. You can resize the multiple shape at once, otherwise move the shape at once. You can change the color at once. Go to the format menu and choose the style drop down menu and you can choose any style at once. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.